Hey everyone, it's Connor and
Michael!
And we're from Bullion Now, bullionnow.com.au, selling you the best bullion bars shipped to you worldwide and across Australia. Bars and coins, in fact.
You're getting there, aren't you, mate?
There. It's getting good. It's getting all right. We are doing an unboxing today.
We are, and I think I've already stuffed it up.
How did you manage that?
Just going in from the wrong side.
Oh, talent, pure talent.
Yeah, something like that.
So are you looking forward to potentially what these may or may not be?
I'm always looking forward to what's inside, mate.
Well, it's just the reason I ask is because sometimes you get very excited and giddy, and I haven't quite figured out why yet. I haven't figured out what sets you off and what doesn't. So I'm trying to figure it out beforehand.
Well, an easy openable box gets me more excited.
That's
this
a good
is flipping
point.
ridiculous.
Yeah.
And that's before we go too far into it.
Maybe we need to.
This one's been nailed shut.
Is that normal? Is that what they normally do?
No, this is ridiculous.
There are some nails in there. I can see them.
Yeah.
We might need to do a unboxing course at this stage.
That's right.
Ooh.
Good grief.
What have we got here?
I'm assuming this is lots of useless packaging. It is. All right. We've been waiting for these for a while.
That's the reaction I was hoping for.
Now you'll just have to wait 5 minutes while I open a pant box.
They're very difficult. You've got to be very careful with those.
I've heard they can explode across the room at times.
Yeah, I wonder where we had that one. I wonder if that one ever got out into the public.
Dun, dun, dun.
Oh, whoa. Okay, hang on. This is tiny.
This is tiny. This is 1 gram of platinum. Now, people that are regular viewers of this channel will know how excited I am about platinum. So a lot of people are saying, well, I'd like to dip my toe in the water, but you know, an ounce of platinum is still $1,700, I think, at the moment in Australian dollars. You know, I'd like something a little bit smaller, a bit more fractional. So we sourced these 1 gram pamps. So they are fantastic. They've still got Lady Fortuna on them. They're quite pretty and quite small. If you look at them in a per ounce or per kilo basis, it's the same as anything you're buying fractional. It is far more expensive than if you know, to buy it in small amounts. It's the same as, like we say, buying sugar at the supermarket or flour or anything along those sort of lines. The bigger you go, the cheaper it becomes. But just to dip your toe in the water, or if you want to encourage someone else to dip their toe in the water, it's not a bad way to grab just a gram of it. In an overall sense, it's not that expensive. Even though it is a pamp and it is beautiful. So a great way to kick off either yours or someone else's platinum stack.
It's a good little foothold to get on into the whole side of it, isn't it?
Absolutely is. And like I said, it's pretty. It's not just a blob. It's actually got Lady Fortuna on it and that type of thing. So, and these are, whoops, put that back in the wrong spot. These are all 1 gram Lady Fortuna platinums.
So we're giving you all the opportunity to dip your toe in the water when it comes to the platinum. And in the Lady Fortuna too, very beautiful Swiss design, that one there.
It absolutely is, and it's world renowned, so you can take it or send it anywhere in the world and it will be recognised, so that's the other plus with it.
Beautiful. Well, the link will be in the description. Thanks for showing us that one there, Michael.
No stress, all good.
And that's it from me.
And from me too.